Hello, this short tutorial will cover the database called Opposing Viewpoints. To access Opposing Viewpoints from off-campus, simply log into MyComNet. Once you are on the MyComNet page, scroll up to My Library Info and click Naugatuck Valley Community College Library. It will open up our databases page from off-campus. There are many databases here, but the one I want to focus on is Opposing Viewpoints. This database is usually used for English 101 papers, for writing a good argumentative paper, especially on a social issue. It's located in the middle column here, about halfway down under General Magazines and Journals. So you would click that link and it will open up a window that looks like this. You can look at all the issues grouped by major subject area down below, or you could click Browse all 476 issues here, and it will give you links that are cataloged by major subject. You can search up in the search box if you do not find your topic down below. Please note too that sometimes a topic may be worded a different way than you might be thinking. For example, if I were looking for death penalty and I scroll down to D and it's alphabetized here, there is nothing here for death penalty. However, if I know some keyword synonyms, I can scroll up to capital punishment under C, and I can find information on that same topic. Right here is capital punishment. If you open up a link, it'll give you an overview of the topic here. Down below are different types of resources here: scholarly journals, biographies, audio material, websites, viewpoints. Those are articles that argue a position very strongly, one way or the other. Information, news, primary sources, images, magazines that are general magazines, reference books, videos, and statistics. Please, before you consult with the librarian, know what types of resources your instructor wants you to use on your assignment. For example, I'll pick a source here, the Viewpoints. Any source that you pick, if you look at the article, the resource citation is at the bottom, MLA 8. If you just highlight this, right click, copy it, and when you paste it into your Google Doc or Word document, make sure the formatting here stays the same. New York Times is in italics. There's many other things you could do with this article up top here. You could cite it up here again, especially if you need APA or a different type of citation. You could send it via email, you could download it, and you could print it. Please visit the library's homepage if you need more information. You could chat with us, you could text us, and when we're back from the coronavirus, you can call us as well. Take care.